Hi, today we are going to discuss about operators in Java. The first operator is arithmetic operator. So here you are having a different types of operators: addition, so addition of numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. The modulo division can be applied to floating point types also. For example, if you are going to see this particular program, so here what we are going to do is we are going to take the two particular values. So the values are 10.5 and 3.2, so which are dividend and divisor. So for example, if you are going to divide the particular number, so 10.5 with 3.2, so you will be getting the remainder. So this should be stored, so where you are going to perform the modulo division. Without losing the precision, what you are doing is you are going to use the double. Next one is unary operators. So here you are having a unary plus, unary minus, increment and decrement operator and logical negation operator. Next operators are relational operators. So here we are going to use equal to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. The outcome of these operations is Boolean. Next one is logical operators. Here we are going to use logical and logical OR. So here we are going to see the truth table. For example, if you are going to see the truth table, you can able to assume this 0 means false and 1 means true. Here if you are going to see the value of 0 and 0, so which should be 0. And if in the AND operator the both ones are there, so then the result will be 1. It means both are true, then only it will be true. So these cases it will be false. So here also 0 1 or 1 0 or 0 0, it will be false. Next one is OR operator. In OR operator either 1 should be true, so otherwise it will be false. Here if you are going to notice 0 1, so which is going to result 1, 1 0 also resulting 1, 1 1 is also resulting 1. False false, it is going to result a false only, because neither one is having a true. So here when we are going to use the logical operators, for example, if you are going to consider the expression 1 and expression 2, so you are going to check, so both should be true, then only it is going to result the true. So otherwise it is going to be written the false. If you are going to consider the OR operator, expression 1 or expression 2, either one should be true, otherwise it will be evaluated as false. Next one is bitwise operator. Here you are having a different symbols: bitwise NOT, bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise and bitwise XOR, and you are having a shift right, shift left and shift right. So here you are having a three particular greater than symbols. It is used for unsigned shift. The bitwise operator works on integer types: byte, character, short, int, long. All integer types except character are signed integer. 2's complement method is used to represent integers. The higher order bit represents the sign of an integer, no matter how the higher order bit is set. Shift operators provide more efficiency when dealing with multiplication and division. Value and number, so between that you are going to use a shift operator. So then value you are going to use a right shift operator. Similarly you are going to use a signed bit whenever preserved. Next one is ternary operator. So the ternary operator is used basically whenever you are going to write a, for example, if else statement. So here you are going to, expression 1 is going to check the condition. If true, so expression 2 will be printed, else expression 3 will be printed. So for example, if you are going to consider the number equal to 42, so now within the system.out.println, within a single line you can able to print the whether the particular number 42 is a odd or even. Here you are having a number 42. So 42 will be divided by 2. So whenever the 42 is divided by 2, so whether it is equal to 0. So let us execute this particular ternary operator. So now run the file. So now it has shown the number is even. So now I am going to enter number is 41. Run file. It is going to show it is odd. So now it has shown number is odd. Operators from highest precedence to lowest precedence. So here we are having a different types of operators. So here we are having a postfix, unary, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, shifting, relational, equality, bitwise and bitwise exclusive or bitwise or logical and logical or ternary and assignment operators. So here we are having a operators from highest to lowest precedence. So expression, so post increment, post decrement, pre increment, pre-decrement, unary plus, unary minus, logical not, bitwise not, multiplicative operators, multiplication, division, modulo division, additive operators, addition, subtraction, shift operators, left shift, and right shift with zero extension. It is used for signed bits. Operators from lowest precedence in relational operators less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equality operators equal to, not equals to, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, logical and logical OR. Ternary operator as we have seen earlier. So next assignment operator equals to, plus or equals to, minus equal to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, modulo division equals to, and equals to, XOR equals to, OR equals to, left shift equals to, right shift equals to, whereas right shift with unsigned integer. So if you are going to have a signed integer, so you are going to use signed bit. Operator with highest precedence are evaluated before operators with the lowest precedence. If you want to override the default precedence, we can use the parenthesis. Operator precedence and associativity. So binary operators left to right associativity, for which it is right to left. Unary operators right to left associativity. Postfix operator left to right associativity. Conditional or ternary operator right to left associativity. Parenthesis, it can be used to override the default precedence and associativity. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.